Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you're new here, hello, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, let's do a little bit of a garage tour. I've been doing a lot of things to fix up the garage because winter's coming, and I want to do more filming in my garage. Now I have a one-car garage, so the whole thing is doing everything on a budget, maximizing the small space. We'll start with the tires here on the ground. I finally have all 4 tires, so I can put them on my Jeep Cherokee XJ. These are Cooper Discover All-Terran tires. They look good, they're affordable, and have great reviews. Now behind them, if I move these out of the way, you can see these big wood tabletops. They're actually really nice. This is kind of the dull side, the nice side's on the other side. I want to turn them into small tables. I'll put a hinge on them, mount them to the wall, so that when I don't need them, I can fold them down to maximize the space. These are solid tabletops, and having a little bit of workspace would be nice to have. I want to have decorations on the wall. This is just a Ford Trucks flag. I have a Chevrolet flag. I have a Mopar flag. I have lots of old stuff, Craftsman stuff, old advertising. I want to put it all over the walls, so I'll get there one point. Down here, little organizer. They were going to throw this away, and why not? It's free. I can put all my little screws and stuff in there. Nice little cover. I'll have to figure out a spot to put it, but you can always find things like this for free or very cheap if you just look around yard sales, garage sales. Right here, more Jeep Cherokee stuff. I open this up. Bumper caps, brand new. We'll get to a point where we put that on. I do want to paint the front and rear bumper before I put these caps on. But I have them, so they'll be in a future video. Up here on the wall, this is actually a fairly new addition. I haven't had a chance to organize it yet, but I was looking at used ones online, and I found this one new that was on super sale. So I bought it. It's a smaller system, nice little shelf on top. I keep all the miscellaneous stuff. I got paints and stuff, little spray bottles and stuff like that. But I will put all my most commonly used tools up here, extension cords, this little power strip. It's good to have a power strip in the garage. I'll probably mount it down here to maximize the space. But I like the little containers that came with it. Nice little cheap shelf down below. All these little tiny soft tool bags, I turn them into detailing bags. We got Armor All stuff here, down below. Everyone needs to have one of these in your car or in your garage. A little air compressor. This one can plug right into the wall or use the outlet inside your car. Have one of these. They're super cheap if you buy them new, but you can get them used super cheap. It's nice to have storage. This is small so I can tuck it against the wall. But toolboxes. Now, you don't need to buy brand new toolboxes. And if you do, get a cheap one. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars, especially when you're starting off. This is a Harbor Freight one. I got it on sale for 70 bucks. So you can't beat that. It's nice and simple. I have a rough country box here. Now, you might remember, I have actually shown this off before. It's an air intake for the Jeep Cherokee XJ. So there will be a video on this soon. Moving it out the way though. Like I said, if this toolbox, if I don't have tools in there and I don't have to get to them, I can use the top of this as a work surface. It's kind of a multi-use system here. I have my hand drills, chargers. I even have the little one. Now you can get any kind of drill you want. I'm just a Milwaukee fan. I like the quality of the products. But I have a little bit of everything. Always got to have some WD-40 on hand. You use that stuff on everything, especially old cars. If I open this, I need to organize this. It's kind of a mess right now. Obd2 Reader. Have one of these. They're super cheap. This is awesome to have if you have a vehicle that's 30 years old or so. Plug this in, figure out what's wrong with your vehicle. But this is kind of miscellaneous storage, to be honest with you guys. You always want a wrench set. I just got the nice cheap stuff. Allen keys, mini screwdrivers, tape. Down here, just more miscellaneous stuff. I have to organize it. But it's good to have this storage. Powerful Milwaukee drill, all my little kits, fuel plugs, all the little stuff. But down below, cleaning stuff. You've seen this stuff before. Chemical guys, they make great products for detailing. Another old tool bin down here I just use for detailing products. But it's kind of miscellaneous storage in the corner. I need more lights. There's one bright light above you. This guy right here. This is actually a great little system. I need more of them, especially for filming. You can probably tell it's a little dark in here, or the light's a little off. But In the corner, I don't know if you can see that, engine blocks. What are those? 2-liter engine blocks from GM. Those are what's in the Chevy Volts. If you guys remember that cool car. I used them as a table at one point. Now they're just kind of sitting here taking up space. But this wall is more miscellaneous storage. Engine cover for my dad's old Audi. Now you guys never saw this on the channel. He had it way before I made the channel. That was a great, great Audi. I just kept it because I love driving that thing. Especially when I was young, that was a cool car to have. You want to listen to some music when you're in the garage. Jam out. Old school system. I got cheap cabinets up here. They came with the building. I do want to upgrade them. They are very shallow, which is kind of cool to maximize your space in here, but they're just not very usable. Miscellaneous stuff up here. Old used trickle charger. Have one of those if you have an old vehicle. It's cool to have. And then my Craftsman Toolbox. This was another cheap one. I believe it was on clearance for $100, $95 or something like that. But I just keep random stuff in here. Simple tools I'll use on a regular basis. Most of the stuff in here is hand-me-down. I got from my dad. I got from garage sales, yard sales. It needs to be organized. It's just all over the place, to be honest. And down here is lockable storage, so anything that's expensive I keep down here. So that was a little tour of my garage. It's a one-car garage, but I'm going to maximize its space. I showed you those shelves I have to install. Basically, it's going to become a work surface, taking those things, lifting them up, and when I'm not in use, put them away. Having stuff on the wall and stuff like that I can put common use tools so I can just grab it and work on a vehicle is the best way to go. And like I said, if you're someone that wants to get into vehicles, working on them and stuff like that, go used. Go online, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. You can find toolboxes used, full of tools. Go to garage sales, yard sales. You can find tools that old people have that have been sitting around for a long time. You don't need everything right from the get-go. Just find the nice simple hand tools, hammers, wrenches, stuff like that. Get yourself some jack stands. Just the little things you need to get going. Or if you do buy new, just go to Harbor Freight. Go to any of the cheaper places. These boxes nowadays are pretty solid. I've had this for years. I've had no problems with it, and it was cheap. Go to Harbor Freight and get those simple tools if you don't want to buy used. It's always good to go on a budget when you first start. Just don't go ham right away. But getting stuff like this and slowly adding to your collection is the best way to go, especially when you're on a budget. But that's all I have for you guys today, and thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs. A little of everything, but please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.